Unboxing English. The phrase, from a box. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to unfold the meaning behind the common English phrase, from a box. It's a term you might hear in various contexts, and understanding it can add a new layer to your English comprehension. So, let's get started and unpack this expression. When we hear the phrase, from a box, it's important to first consider its literal meaning. This typically refers to something that comes directly out of a box. For instance, products you buy that are packaged in a box, like a toy, a gadget, or a piece of furniture that needs to be assembled. The phrase can also be used in a figurative sense. Sometimes, people say, from a box, to describe something that is not custom-made or personalized. It might imply that the item is mass-produced or not unique. For example, meals that are prepared from pre-packaged mixes as opposed to being made from scratch could be said to come from a box. Let's see how this phrase works in different scenarios. In cooking, this cake tastes like it wasn't made from a box, meaning the cake doesn't taste like it's made from a pre-mix. In fashion, her style is never from a box, suggesting her style is unique and not off the rack. In business, we need out-of-the-box thinking, not ideas from a box. Here it means they want original thoughts, not cliched or standard ideas. And that's a wrap on the phrase, from a box. Whether it's about something literally coming out of a box or figuratively representing the commonplace, you're now ready to use this phrase in its various shades of meaning. We hope this video has been enlightening. Keep practicing, and you'll be thinking outside the box in no time.